Former President Rodrigo Duterte may soon have a temporary home outside the Philippines. His legal team confirms that at least one country is willing to host him if the International Criminal Court grants his request for interim release. But the big question is, the nation will open its doors. Let's find out in MJ Mondejar's report.
The legal team of former President Rodrigo Duterte confirmed that one country is ready to accept the former chief executive of the Philippines. This is in connection with Duterte's request for interim release while his case is being heard before the International Criminal Court or ICC. This was highlighted in the latest ICC motion filed by his legal team, where they outlined the reasons why provisional release should be granted. But the question remains, where could the former president possibly stay? According to international law expert attorney Harry Roque, 3 countries under the European Union could potentially serve as host nations.
At dahil si VP Sara ay narito ngayon galing sa Paris, hindi ko ma-erase yung possibility na nakipag-usap din siya sa authorities sa Belgium. Bakit? Kasi ang Belgium po, naku, ang dami na pong tinanggap na mga akusado na nabigyan ng interim release.
Roque clarified that he has no knowledge of the itinerary of Vice President Sara Duterte, who is now currently at the ICC in The Hague. But considering the proximity between Netherlands and Belgium, it could be strategic to establish communication there.
In fact, ang pinakamaraming ang bansa na tumanggap ng pinakamaraming akusado, hindi lang po sa ICC, kundi sa ICTY at saka sa yung Yugoslav at Rwanda Tribunal, ay ang bansang Belgium.
It is only about an hour and a half drive by car from Belgium to the Netherlands. According to Roque, aside from the 2 countries, France is also among the top 3 countries that accept ICC indictees. The former palace spokesman clarified that his forecast was based on previous ICC decisions and rulings of other international tribunals. The lawyer also admitted that the matter of which country may host Duterte's interim release remains top secret.
Top secret talaga kung sino yung posibleng magbigay ng interim release, tumanggap ng interim release si Tatay Digong dahil alam naman ng mga kalaban natin, yung mga komunistang CPP-NPA na napakalakas dito sa Netherlands.
It can be recalled that Filipinos visit the ICC detention center daily to show their support to former President Duterte, a scenario that could also happen in whichever country he may stay if the interim release is granted. For Ganamabal of Philippines, MJ Mondejar, SMNI News.